Graco's Stellair Ace air spray gun for stellar results with unmatched ergonomics, serviceability, and performance industrial painters need to enjoy and excel at their jobs. With its unique lightweight carbon-reinforced construction, Stellair Ace is a game-changer in ergonomics. Weighing in at only 209 grams or 7.4 ounces, Stellair Ace is up to 50% lighter than almost any other manual pressure feed spray gun, reducing fatigue and increasing comfort spraying for hours. The lightweight design features a comfortable grip, a smooth, easy pull trigger, lightweight and highly flexible hoses that move effortlessly with you. Stellair Ace excels in speedy serviceability, hand-tightened hose connections, no tool trigger removal, built-in fluid cartridge removal. Fluid cartridge is one piece so you can replace it in no time. For all-star performance and cleanliness, an innovative air cap design delivers exceptional atomization and stays clean while preventing material blowback and providing a smooth, uniform finish. Stellair Ace air spray guns, because everyone wins when painters produce stellar results. Explore more at Graco.com/StellairAce.